Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? You remember, right? It's ça va bien? Merci. Ça va bien? Merci. Bienvenue au Françomonde. Moi, je m'appelle Madame Wilma. Welcome to Françomonde. My name is Madame Wilma. Last time we learned the alphabet, right? And I'm sure you enjoyed it. I hope you've gone over and over and over and over. So now you can say it, right? Okay, so today we're looking at the numbers. Les nombres. Oui, les nombres en français. How to say the numbers in French. Okay, commençons. Let's start. 0, 0, 0, 0. It's not 0, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1. Okay, no 1. 2, 2. Look at how I say it. Look at my lips and do the same. 2. 2. Super. Très bien. 3. 3. 3. Yes, because O-I in French sounds OA, and the last letter, we don't mention it, so 3. 4. 4. 4. Super. 5. 5. 5. Okay, it's 5, not cinq, because in French, IN sounds N, so 5. 6. 6. 6. 6, like 6. 6, because in French, I sound E, and we don't do the for this one. So 6. 7. 7. 7. You don't pronounce a P, yeah? Those of you have been saying sept. It's not sept. Set. 8. 8. 8. Let me say it again. 8. Last time I mentioned that they don't pronounce your H, okay? So we don't say wheat. It is not wheat. It's not oats. It is wheat. As if you want to say sweet, but you take off the S and make it wheat. Yeah, got that. 9. 9. 9. 9. Look at my mouth. 9. 10. 10. 10. Just like 6, this is 10. 11. 11. 11. I hope you've been repeating after me. That's how to get it fast. I'll be repeating after me. Let's go with 12. 12. 12. Okay, it's 12, not 12. 12. OU in French sounds OO. So we have 12. 13. treize, treize, treize. Great. Quatorze, 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 quatorze. Okay, so it's not quatorze, it's what? Q-U in French sounds k, k, quatorze. We have seen quatre, not quatre, so quatre, quatorze. And those of you have been saying quatorze. It's not quatorze, it's quatorze. Quatorze. Quinze, quinze, quinze. Okay, so it's quinze, not quinze. Quinze. Seize, seize, seize. It is says, not sees, because EI in French sounds A. Seize. We also have that in treize, okay? Seize. 17, 17, 17. We saw 10 and then we saw 7. So this is like 10, 7. Okay? 17, 17, 18, 18, 18. If you speak my language, you know 18 means what? It's sweet. 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20. Yes, 20, because IN sounds what? And the G is not pronounced, and the T is not pronounced either. I know, right? I know, that's troublesome. But let's try it for the last time. 20. Super, you've done amazing. Alright, so now let's say it without looking on our flashcards. Prêt? Allez, ready? Let's go. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. We just did it. But you know what I've been saying? I want you to always repeat it after me. So now we're going on the rap mode. When I say it, you repeat it. When I say it, you repeat it. Let's go. 0. So when I say 0, then you say 0. Okay? Great. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! We did it! Now, I need you to pick a few things in your house and let's count them in French. Go ahead, bring out some pencils. It can be a lot of things put together. Bring them and let's try our counting. I am ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I have some sweets here that I am going to count. Sweet in French is bonbon. Sometimes they say sucette. Okay, so we're going to count some sweets. How am I going to count them? Let's see. Okay, I'll first count them this way and then bring them back. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super! Were you able to count yours as well? Okay, so let's count it again. We didn't add 0, but that's okay. We're going to count it 0, right? So let's start again. I'm putting it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 et 20. We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! All right, so that is the end of our lessons on numbers. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Okay, make sure you go over and over and over until you can say it easily. Right, so tell your parents to subscribe to our Françomonde channel because every week we'll bring you fun French lessons. For now, it is au revoir.